Hey everyone, I'm Lisa from RuNT Tech Solutions, and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to get the latest updates. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install FL Studio for free, the popular digital audio workstation used for music production. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open your favorite web browser. Next, type in google.com in the address bar, and hit enter. Now, in the Google search box, type FL Studio, and hit enter to find the official website. Look for the official website, which should be www.image-line.com, in the search results. Once you're on the ImageLine website, click on the Try for Free button. Before downloading, it's essential to check the system requirements. Click on System Requirements to see if your computer meets them. Now, click on the Download button to start the download. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. To install FL Studio, right-click on the downloaded file and choose Run as Administrator. Confirm by clicking Yes when prompted. After running as administrator, you will see the welcome screen. Click Next on the welcome screen to jump to the license agreement page. Read through the license agreement, and if you agree, click the I agree button to proceed. At the user information page, select All Users and click Next. Select the components you want to install and click Next. Choose the installation location and click Next. Select the plugin installation location and click Next. Review the installation and plugin locations and click Install. Now, wait for the installation process to complete. If you need ASIO for all, follow the same installation steps as before, and remember to click Next after accepting the license agreement. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. Congratulations! You've successfully installed FL Studio on your Windows PC. Now, you can start creating your own music and dive into the world of music production. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy music making!